Hello, Justin May, the Dixie Law Group. Today I'm going to talk to you about something besides car wrecks, truck wrecks, traumatic brain injuries, which we've talked about a lot on here. We actually do some cases for folks that end up getting hurt in kind of strange or weird ways that aren't their fault, but usually someone else's fault. An example I like to give is we had a gentleman who lived off of Dixie. He was mowing his lawn one day, and the wires that run from the telephone poles, they're called guy wires that hold them up. They have the yellow guards at the bottom. Most people have seen them. It actually had come loose in the ground. So he had a sloped yard and it unfrayed and it came up, and he was walking, mowing his lawn with boots on, thick sole boots, and the wire went right through the boot into his foot. Now the wires are teeny tiny. So when it went in, it didn't look that bad. It looked like a pinprick. Well, it ended up getting seriously infected, and he actually ended up losing a big chunk of the bones in his foot. Really awful stuff. However, when they initially called, I told them, hey, if it's not that bad, just call them. If you had to go to the doctor, I'm sure whoever's responsible for that will take care of it. Well, his wife called me and told me what was going on, all the surgeries, and how he was missing part of his foot. We ended up getting involved in that case. We investigated, and we found out that the company that was responsible for all of that actually had a duty to inspect that and make sure it was safe for everyone around, especially on a sloped area like he had. They didn't do that, and they were responsible for that. And then he ended up getting hurt and having a serious injury that's going to impact him and his family for the rest of his life. He actually ended up having to sell his house because it had too many floors in it, and he had to get a one-story house. He had to move from the house that he loved because of this incident. Again, it's not a car wreck, it's not a truck wreck, it's kind of strange, but at the same time, it is a serious injury and it wasn't his fault, and someone should be held responsible for that. If you have a weird injury like that or something going on, we're here to help. Just call me at the Dixie Law Group and we will take care of it.